much bad mind and negative out there, me see it clearly.
Them don't know how me feel, so I better me be quiet when you ask them feel. While you get a denial.
Welcome to Braveheart TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless everyone, greetings my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, big up on yourself. Welcome to Braveheart TV. We say give thanks to life, health and strength. You know, anyone there. Yes man, I'm more life and strength. Zine, yes man. I wish you all nothing but blessings and may your basket be full and on the dreams and aspiration come true. And also Braveheart daily the thing. You see me? Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, click the bell. You know my so we keep it real on the battlefield. And your support is highly appreciated, loved. You see it? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, coming up in this episode, we're gonna run through two music videos, right? A music video and a song. Two singles. One from Jahshii titled Braveheart. You see me? And you know Jahshii went in the studio after what his name has been circulating with, you know what I mean? Yes, and we also have Black Kush and Teejay, a song titled Ungrateful Badmind. You see me? Yes man, so before we get into it, my viewers and subscribers, you know my routine already, I promote my EP, so I beg you to please go check it out. We'll go down a quick snippet, a reminder. You see me, I have two of the songs them on the EP.
I beg you to stop the cry. I am crying for peace. Mr. Shot, I am a crying. I'm begging you please. Put on the gun, stop the back up, bye. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much innocent life away. Me tired and me fed up by it. Frustration full up my face. Me tired and me fed up by it.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so that's two of the singles I'm off the EP. You see me, Crying for Peace and Tired and Fed Up by It. When you can go check it out, remember the EP, Welcome to Kingston, 6 reggae songs with different style and genres. You see me I say? But anyway, I kick off the vlog now with Black Kush featuring Teejay. They have a song right now named Ungrateful Badmind. I'm not telling a lie, I like the song and the song I grew up on me, so now is the time to give it a little feature. Big up yourself Black Kush, big up yourself Teejay. Viewers and subscribers, and I know the maths already, you know. I'm going to review the song and you just leave, you know, reaction in the comment section. Same? Yes, man. Let's go.
So much bad mind and negative out there, me see it clearly.
Yeah. A whole heap, you see me?
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, you know this product was created by CJ Records Music. Yes, man, and that's the voice of Black Kush. Sweet melody.
Me glad nothing but one job of bad mind not in me. Most I you deliver me. Take me from the snakes, the locusts, the vampires, them where you come charging me energy.
Yes, man, I can put my hands on my heart and the ear and swear not one drop of bad mind not in me. Most I deliver me. Yes, man, and keep me away from the pagans them who try to drain me energy. Trait.
I see it all the time. Them try create best stop sign, but I begging like me see me gone with gravity.
Yes, Black Kush, I love how you sing out from your heart. I can hear the pain and the meaning in your vocals them. Yes, man. Burn bad mind, man, and stay focused.
All this negativity surround me, it coming like a crab in a barrel. Nobody know happy see them friend again as a youth rise, I am them king.
Viewers and subscribers want to listen to the words of Teejay. You the man I say, be a crab in a barrel. You see me I say, no friend, no happy for no friend again. Cause a youth rise, them get bad mind and take him out dirt settings. You see me?
Me no like bad mind, some gyal a Delilah, them not real. And some of them boy I know what loyalty mean.
Yeah man, in this time you can't trust nobody at all. You just have to be aware and don't drop a guard. The woman them a Delilah, your friend them a friend killer, all your family them sell you out too. A real talk man. Loyalty, nobody know what loyalty mean man.
Feel them on a genuine leather. Cause it hard for you find a real sister now a brother. Cause them quick to sell your own for the gender. Cause them fake like the makeup, the plastic, the woman them center.
Bow, bow, bow. tell them Black Kush, them not real like genuine leather. You can't trust your sister, your brother. Them fake. Them sell you out for the cheddar. Yes, man, them fake like the plastic and the makeup and you know the woman them set. I really talk, man. As myself, friends, family, no for them bad mind. Them not happy for you when them see you rise. Because I them feel in your position. As what TJ say, them as you rise, them want to kill you. I don't lie. I really talk. More than the music.
Kill them, missing mankind, them change like the weather. Said them are your friend, but them want see you on the stretcher. If I tell you, want see you fall for them, sit down and laugh. Good thing we know better.
Yes, man, and everybody laugh up if they want to see you prosper. No, I mean, no good enough. No for them to pretend. You see me? Yes, man. Even your family and your friend, them. No for them want to see you feel for the sit down and laugh and say, you fucker, yo. Yes, Black Kush, I real talk, man, but who knows better do better?
They no real too.
No, man.
Can't trust some of your family, them. Y'all we fuck your brother, just see grief. You may get more help from friend and my family, them.
Yo, you hear TJ come in and say, can't trust some of your girl, and you can't trust some of your family too. Girl, we go sleep with all your own brother just for grieve you and hurt you, you see me? And TJ say him get more help from him friend than him family, them. A real thing in a real life still, but you can't really force people to support you, know. You have to just do your thing and you're the king.
Nobody question me loyalty, me friend. If gun inna the car, then I feel with them. So the sentence share until it end. How you know, so me respect me dogs them.
Yes, man, I hope some people are listening to this, you know. No dry snitching, no snitching. TJ say, yo, nobody question me loyalty to my friend. From guns inna the car, you know, say I feel with them. Sentence have to share until it end. Respecting brother them, you see me? Yes, man, big up the real friend them, and you know, say if you get in a trouble, you know, snitch by your brethren, the two of not take the blame, because the two of them go up on the works. And a search should be real loyalty, real soldier, real warrior.
The heart is too clean, and me always prove it. Give them your heart too quick. Them stabbing on your back, the same youth when you grow it.
Me heart is too clean, me always prove it. Give them all too quick and stabbing them about the same youth I'm growing with. A real thing, man. Some people you grow with, you know. Yes, they want to stab you on your back and take what you got. A real thing. Bone friend killer around here.
Touch me call when they kill me. I'm alone, never near me. Them boys they really don't know what loyalty mean.
Me glad not even watch up a bad mind not in me.
Yes, but I not like the song sweet. But we've come to the end of this review. Big up yourself, Black Kush. Big up TJ. You see me, Black Kush is someone who I know personal. He is really nice true though. And that song, yeah, nice. I'm not telling a lie. Viewers and subscribers, yes, I will be leaving the link in the comment section so you can go listen to the song fully and give the artist the support. You see me and say, yes man, Ungrateful Badmind. And it's a CJ Records production. You see me? Yes man. So now we are moving on to Jahshii.
Greatness never happened before the time though.
Yes man, this song is titled Braveheart by Jahshii and it's a Rain Records production. So me I say, yes man, greatness never happened before the time. So let's get into it.
Hey Benji. One First Nation.
Yes, you hear the artist say all he want to do is to be great. Zine, so big up the friend them around him. Where I make sure Jahshii dip on him positive side at all times. No, yes, man. Zane, big up the friend them. Yeah, where they run Jahshii, and I make sure the artist stay focused at all times and I make the wrong move. Because I want to see how much a clock strike around the artist. Alright.
And them no know how me feel. So I better me be quiet when you ask them for help. While you get a denial. Yeah, them see the smoke, but they never see the fire. When the iron in my iron, it a pressure me fi fire.
Do you know how it feel when they ask for help and all they get a denial? Them see the smoke, but them never see the fire. The rifle in my iron, pressure me for fire. But Jahshii, go and hold the faith, brother, don't fire. The devil is a liar.
Bury me already if I never feel the fire. Feel like Jah give me the lesson fi be lion. Leather fi be higher, blessing me a choir. Better me desire.
Yes, them say only a man can tell his own pain and his own tales, and who feels it knows. Jahshii said them bury him already for never for the prayer. You see me, I said nothing beat prayer. Prayer. Yes, man. And you know Jahshii has been under heavy scrutiny since he has done that interview with Anthony Miller. It's like he has been marked. You see me, I say so the artist can't afford to slip up right now because, you know, least a good thing a film name I go call. You see me, I say him are the artist, him are the man with the money, him are the Dan. And these are all alleged allegations.
All I want do great dog. Want to know why me go jail or what? Who see them want me go graveyard? Human being too fake dog.
Oh, let Jahshii me hear you cry out. Yes, man, just keep man have the mindset that to be great. You see me? Yes, man, human being too fake, friends and family. Don't let them try it for God jail or God graveyard. See?
Two-faced dog, me no like fame cause I feel skill pan the battlefield, name and shoes 40 me fire, no paintball youth. Mommy still a tell me your years are the youth. Lucky things say me born.
The way Jahshii say human being too fake, two-faced. Yes, man, enough of them two-faced. Laughing in your face and stabbing in your back. See, man say not like fame because when you struggle, nobody know you know. But as soon as I get the fame, be 18, be a bad mind and body star sus. But then remember the rough days. You see me I say? But Jahshii, take me advice. You say your mommy still I say ears hard. Listen to mommy, stay out of trouble. And listen to your real friend them. If you have a real friend, where I tell you say Jahshii, no make that move there, you don't think that right. Not the yes man one them, acknowledge them. Saying? And big up the whole grand spend. Big up Land, big up Lionfoot fans them. You see me I say? Yes, man, from where they have this in the machine for reviewing, but I'm busy. You know, that's why I see me not drop my vlog from where they. No, this is my secondary local enjoyment. Saying? Yes, man. Don't forget to like and share my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. Let me know what you think of Black Kush song and Jahshii song. Saying? Yes, man. I will love. Thank you all for your continuous support. I'm the man of peace, and I'm out. Not another word out of me mouth. Remember, stay out of trouble. Keep it real on the back of field.